My name is Corey, and I'm one of the owners here at Infinity Energy. I'd personally like to thank you for choosing us, and also welcome you to our family. Using the Infinity Energy app is a great way to let us know that you're happy with our services. It's also a great way to put money in your pocket and help your friends go solar. Here's how it works. Go to the App Store and download the Infinity Energy app. After that, create a new account and put in your contact information. Next, we're going to add your sales rep. You can either find it by their name, or you can say no sales rep and click that. Then after that, you can add the referral by going to the home page and clicking on Add Referral. Next, we pick what service the referral is actually interested in. This will take us to the next page where we can add all the information about the referral, such as their contact information and also notes about their interest in solar. When filling out the notes section, you can actually tell us what they're interested in. Maybe they actually liked your solar system, or maybe they're interested in going green. Putting down any type of notes really helps us in the long run understand who the referral is. Now, it is important to note that one of our reps will be contacting your friend, so please give him a call ahead of time so he knows what's going on. If you have push notifications, the app will notify you that you've received a payment. When ready, you can actually select the menu icon and then click on the Advocator wallet. There are a lot of great ways to actually get paid, but we're going to focus on gift cards for now. There are quite a few options, so take your time and find your favorite place. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know if you have any questions or concerns. We love hearing your feedback. Please visit us on our Facebook page or leave a comment below.